Picture this. While you were sleeping last night, your competitor's AI was answering customer emails, scheduling appointments, and creating tomorrow's social media posts. Here's the shocking truth. 77% of small businesses are already using AI, and that number jumped 41% in just the last year alone. If you're not using AI in your business yet, you're not just behind, you're losing money every single day. Hey there, business owners. Today, we're diving into the AI revolution that's completely transforming small businesses in 2025. And no, this isn't about robots taking over. It's about real tools that can double your productivity starting today. I'll show you exactly which AI tools successful businesses are using, how much they cost, and how you can implement them this week. Plus, I'll share a success story about a small fitness studio that increased their sales by 25% using one simple AI tool. Let's jump in. First, let's destroy the biggest myth about AI. You've probably heard that AI will eliminate jobs, right? Wrong. Here's what's actually happening. 80% of small businesses using AI say it's enhancing their workforce, not replacing it. In fact, 40% of businesses using AI are actually creating new jobs this year. Think about it this way. When email was invented, did it eliminate office workers? No, it made them more productive. That's exactly what's happening with AI right now. One small business owner told researchers, AI handles the boring stuff so my team can focus on what humans do best, building relationships and solving complex problems. The real question isn't whether AI will replace workers, it's whether businesses using AI will replace those that don't. Let me share some mind-blowing statistics that show why 2025 is the tipping point for AI adoption. Small business AI usage jumped from 39% to 55% in just 1 year. But here's the kicker. 89% of small businesses are now using AI for everyday tasks. Not complicated programming, everyday tasks like writing emails and creating marketing content. And the results? 87% report increased productivity. 86% say they're more effective, and 86% report actual business growth. These aren't tech giants we're talking about. These are businesses just like yours, local shops, service providers, online stores. But here's the problem. 62% of businesses not using AI say it's because they don't understand how it could help them. That's exactly what we're fixing today. Let's get practical. Here are the top 5 AI tools small businesses are using right now and exactly how they're using them. Number 5, ChatGPT for customer service. Cost, free to start, $20 per month for premium. What it does, instantly drafts email responses, creates FAQ sections, and even handles live chat. One retailer saved 10 hours per week just on customer email responses. Number 4, Jasper for marketing content. Cost starts at $39 per month. This AI writes your blog posts, social media content, and ad copy in your brand's voice. Imagine creating a week's worth of social posts in 15 minutes instead of 3 hours. Number 3, Zapier AI for automation. Cost, free for basic, $20 per month for small businesses. Here's the magic. You just tell it in plain English what you want automated. When someone fills out my contact form, add them to my email list, and send a welcome message. Done. No coding required. Number 2, Pictory for video content. Cost, $19 per month. Turn any blog post or script into a professional video with stock footage, captions, and voiceover. Perfect for businesses that know they need video content but don't have time or budget for video production. Number 1, AI-powered email marketing. Whether it's MailChimp's AI features or dedicated tools, AI can now personalize emails for each customer, optimize send times, and predict which subject lines will get opened. One fitness studio saw their email open rates jump from 18% to 32%. That's almost double the engagement. Let me tell you about Sarah, who owns a local fitness studio. She was spending 20 hours a week on marketing and admin work. Then she implemented 3 simple AI tools: ChatGPT for social media posts, an AI email tool for member communications, and automated scheduling software. The results? Her email open rates increased from 18% to 32%. Conversion rates on promotions improved by 25%. But here's the best part. She got back 15 hours every week. That's almost 2 full work days. She used that time to launch a new yoga program that brought in an extra $3,000 per month. Sarah told me, I was skeptical at first, but the tools are so easy to use. It's like having a marketing assistant who never sleeps. Her total investment? Less than $100 per month. Her return? Over $3,000 per month in new revenue. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated, or I'm not tech savvy. Here's the truth. These tools are designed for people just like you. No coding, no technical knowledge, just simple plain English instructions. Worried about cost? Most businesses spend less than $100 per month on AI tools, but save 10 to 20 hours per week. At minimum wage, that's $600 in time saved every month. It literally pays for itself. Concerned about data privacy? Stick with established companies like OpenAI, Google, or Microsoft. They have enterprise-grade security and clear privacy policies. The biggest mistake? Waiting for the perfect AI solution. Start small, pick one tool, use it for 1 week. You'll be amazed at the difference. Here's your action plan to start using AI this week. Step 1, choose your biggest time waster. Is it email, social media, data entry? Step 2, sign up for one free AI tool. I recommend starting with ChatGPT. It's free and versatile. Step 3, spend 30 minutes learning it. Watch one YouTube tutorial or read the Getting Started guide. Step 4, use it for one specific task every day this week. Maybe it's writing your daily marketing email or responding to customer inquiries. Step 5, track your time saved. Most business owners are shocked to find they save 5 to 10 hours in their first week alone. Remember, you don't need to become an AI expert overnight. You just need to start. The businesses thriving in 2025 aren't necessarily the smartest or the biggest. They're the ones willing to adapt. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here, and every day you wait is a day your competitors get further ahead. But here's the good news. You can catch up in just 1 week. Your homework: choose one AI tool from today's list and commit to using it for 7 days. That's it. One tool, 1 week. I guarantee you'll see results that will blow your mind. If this video helped you understand how AI can transform your business, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'll be sharing more practical AI tutorials every week, including deep dives into each tool I mentioned today. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're going to try first. And if you're already using AI in your business, share your success story. Let's help each other grow. Remember, in 2025, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And AI is the smartest investment you can make in your business today. See you in the next video, where I'll show you step by step how to set up your first AI automation. Until then, keep growing, keep learning, and start using AI today. Thanks for watching. Check back with us at CEO University for more content on growing your business.